In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. If messages you're expecting just aren't showing up, it can be frustrating, but most of the time the cause is something simple and easy to fix. We'll walk through a few checks you can do right now to get your inbox working again. Let's start with the first thing to check, your spam and trash folders. Gmail is pretty aggressive about filtering, and sometimes it will send legitimate messages to spam by mistake. Open Gmail and look at the menu on the left side. If you don't immediately see spam, scroll down and click More to expand the full list, then click on Spam. Take a moment to scan through the emails there and see if anything you've been waiting for has ended up in this folder. If you find a message that should be in your inbox, open it and click the option to mark it as not spam. This helps Gmail learn what you consider safe and moves it back to your inbox, so future messages from that sender are more likely to arrive correctly. Next, check your trash folder. Just like with spam, you may need to click More on the left side to see it. Open trash and look for any messages that might have been deleted accidentally. If you see something that should not be there, you can move it back to your inbox by using the Move To option. Keep in mind that messages in trash are deleted automatically after a period of time, so it's worth checking sooner rather than later. Now let's move on to filters and blocked addresses. Filters are rules you, or sometimes an app, may have set up in the past to automatically organize incoming mail. If a filter is misconfigured, it might be sending messages to a label, archiving them, or even deleting them before you see them. To review this, go to your Gmail settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right, then choosing See All Settings. Look for the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. Here, carefully review each filter. Ask yourself, could this be affecting the messages I'm missing? For example, a filter that automatically skips the inbox or sends messages to trash or spam could be the culprit. If you're unsure about a filter, you can temporarily delete it or edit it so messages stay in your inbox. While you're on this tab, also look at the list of blocked addresses. If the sender you're expecting is accidentally blocked, Gmail will keep their messages out of your inbox. If you see any addresses that shouldn't be blocked, remove them from the blocked list so their emails can come through again. Another common reason Gmail stops receiving new messages is that your storage is full. Gmail uses the same storage space as other services in your account, and when you run out, new emails can't be delivered. To check this, look at the storage indicator, often shown at the bottom of your inbox or in your account settings. If you're close to the limit, start by deleting large, unnecessary emails, especially ones with big attachments, or clear out old spam and trash permanently. You can also consider upgrading your storage if you need more space. Finally, make sure your internet connection is stable. If your connection is weak or dropping in and out, Gmail may not sync properly and it can look like no new messages are arriving. Try loading another website or running a quick speed test. If things are slow or not loading, restart your router or switch to a more reliable network, like a different Wi-Fi or a mobile data connection, then refresh Gmail and check again. By carefully checking your spam and trash folders, reviewing filters and blocked addresses, freeing up storage space, and making sure your internet connection is stable, you'll cover the most common reasons Gmail stops receiving emails. Follow these steps, test by sending yourself a message from another account if you can, and you should see your inbox start working normally again.